What's going on, Seaport? It's Pacman Jones with Savannah Seaport News. Now, I had a subscriber that requested information about the death of Lameya Mitchell. Now, this was a 13-year-old girl that was allegedly killed by a 16-year-old boyfriend back in November of 2019. Now, if you guys are familiar with the channel, I didn't do this video at the time because of course, as y'all know, this was around the time when my place had burned down. Actually, 2 months before that, so I didn't get a chance to do any YouTube for about a year. But just to provide an update, police say a 13-year-old girl was shot and killed by her 16-year-old boyfriend at Seminole and Atwood Streets. Now, that's on the south side. That's not too far from where I stay. That's pretty much near Montgomery Crossroads. Now, the girl was identified as Lameya Mitchell. She died November 16th, 2019. The incident report from Savannah Police Department says that 16-year-old Seaton ran away from the scene and tossed a gun before turning himself into police at Central Precinct. He told police he had shot his girlfriend. Seaton has been charged with murder, and police say Mitchell appeared to be shot in the chest, I believe only once. And the girl's mother said she looked for her daughter just moments before she noticed police lights on her street and police in her driveway. I looked out and saw my daughter laying down, said April Jones, the mother of the victim. I didn't know if she was unconscious. I didn't know if she was breathing. I didn't know if she was alive. She wonders how everything happened so quickly. Now, there has been a bunch of court event hearings and motions, but you got to remember that in this time, this is when COVID made a big major impact in the Chatham County courts. I mean, most cases were on pause until COVID was under control. And I mean, of course, as we all see now, COVID still hasn't been under control. And even myself, I've been to the courthouse and I thought I had court, but they told me to do it online. So it was kind of crazy. I mean, it's still kind of crazy. They're getting themselves back in the swing of things. But I mean, COVID really messed up a lot of cases. I mean, as far as putting everything on pause. But however, the most important hearings or events that took place before the trial was on April the 20th. The case was appointed by Benjamin Karp, but within 2 months, the judge over the case changed to Timothy Wamsley in June 2020. Now, ever since 2021, the attorney took 2 leaves of absences. Now, I can't tell if this is the same lawyer or 2 lawyers that are going against each other that took the leaves of absences, but there's on record that there's 2 counts of leaves of absences by an attorney. Now, one in February and one in May, less than 3 months apart. And as of recently, of October the 12th, 2021, the motion was made to suppress statements from the defendant to the police. I guess there was some statements made, and I guess they're trying to discredit what was said by the defendant towards the police. And as far as what's going on recently, December the 2nd, they're going to have another motion hearing, and the December 6th, they're going to have a jury trial. And under the comments, I see 12/6, because I guess that's when the trial is going to start, December the 6th, I suppose, allegedly, unless if I hear anything else. But I just want to provide that update. I had a subscriber that just wanted to get information about that. But if you guys have any information that y'all want to give to me, as far as if you want me to look up information about a case or a person in Savannah, hey, feel free to hit that description box. Same way you can contact me several years ago, it's the same way you can contact me now through my Gmail, pacmanjonesiii, 3 lowercase i's, @gmail.com. But I hope I answered this lady's questions as far as the update. Take care of yourself, Savannah.